as a vampire, a zombie, or a
Hi, baby ko.
Remember, you're taking
Babe
part
ka
in a
dyan?
tradition that's been around for centuries.
Hi, kuya.
Weekend safe out there. We're almost in the third hour.
Tulog ang bata.
Kami ang yun, magkano lang gas na? 2.5 daw?
Mambo na yata.
Dati nanik medya eh. Wow, empanada! Hello, lolo, lolo.
Saan tayo pupunta, Mami?
I don't know.
Sa swimming.
Anong pangalan? Anong pangalan?
La Trinidad.
Anong La Trinidad?
Joke!
San
La
Luis del Mar.
Union.
The morning crawls across the floor through curtains you don't draw no more. I lie still
Ang liliit ng paa!
where you once breathed beside me. The pillows hold your hollow shape, a shadow pressed in fabric's weight. I smooth the corner then let go. Doesn't change what I already know. My bed unmade tells the truth of nights I spend not over you. Each wrinkle sings your name. This silence isn't new. My bed unmade and so am I. Still learning how to say goodbye.
Daddy! Kaya abutin ng shark dito.
Maliit lang ah.
Ano?
Maliit lang.
Parang kagalat yung mga maliliit.
Ano kagat pero hindi ka nila makakain.
Alo, alo! Dito! May rainbow!
Saan?
Ayun na!
Woke up with the sun in my eye. Footsteps on the rooftops, feeling high. Lost my troubles in the morning light. Dancing with the breeze, taking flight. Kicking up dust in my old worn shoes. Laughter echoes breaking through the blues. Spinning in the streets, no need to choose. Heartbeat drumming, got nothing to lose.